Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to blend text, but they want to put this white or this, black outline around the first letter, and they're having trouble getting it that way. Let's make this first one red. You know what? I'm going to go back with blue, and then hit the plus key on the keyboard, and you can put this thing anywhere you want. Let's make it a blue this time. Now select both these, go up to Effects and Blend. Well, I'm going to blend 200 times so we get an even look. And then what I said about you can move it later, you can grab that first one and put it wherever you want and it'll blend it. Now, to put an outline around that, you cannot just take and left click an outline because it's going to make everything black because I have 200 blends and you're looking at 200. So with that selected, go to Break Blend Apart, grab that very top one. Now put an outline around it. Then you could hit F12 on your keyboard and make it 2 points, make it stand out, maybe a little bit bigger. And then that way it's more readable. Now you could possibly put an outline on the very back one. Let's my nudge factor is still pretty high. There is our original. Let's put a outliner. It's kind of hard to see. Put F12, make it 2 points or 4 points, and then say okay, and then just nudge that back up. You're going to have an outline. You're not going to really be able to see it, but it is there, and it does work. That might be a little bit thick for an outline, but that's how you put an outline of the text on a blend. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.